Today, explaining in chapter is wave mechanical model of atom. Wave mechanical model of atom. What is the wave mechanical model? What is the wave mechanical mechanical mechanical? What is the wave mechanical model of atom? The atomic model the atomic model which is based on which is based on the particle which is based on the particle which is the based on the particle and wave nature of the electron is known as and wave nature wave nature wave nature of the electron is known as wave mechanical wave mechanical wave mechanical mechanical model of atom. Wave mechanical of model of atom. This wave mechanical model is discovered by the wave mechanical model wave mechanical model of atom is discovered by the Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Schrödinger. Schrödinger in 1926. Okay. 1926. This Schrödinger derived equation is the Schrödinger wave the Schrödinger derived which describes the ionization of the electron, which describes of an electron describes of an electron describes of an electron. The differential equation is the differential this is second point now, this is third point. The differential equation is the square psi by the x square plus the square psi by the y square plus the square psi by the z square plus 8 I square m h square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0. This is the Schrödinger wave equation now. This is x and y and z. This this the above reaction, and x comma y comma z is Cartesian coordinates of the electron. Cartesian coordinates of Cartesian coordinates of the electron. Next one is the m is the mass of the mass of electron. M is the mass of the electron. M is the mass of the electron. E is the total energy of electron. E is the total energy of the electron. V is the potential of energy of electron. V is potential energy of the electron. H is a Planck's constant. H is a Planck's constant. E is a psi is a wave function. Psi is a wave function. What is the significance of psi? What is the significance of psi? The psi is the wave function may be regretted. The psi is a wave function may be regretted now. Regretted as the amplitude of the function expressed in terms of the Cartesian kinds. Regretted as the amplitude of function expressed as the amplitude function expressed in terms of the coordinates are x and y and z. The wave function may be the wave function may have positive or negative, may have a positive and positive and negative. Positive and negative values. The positive and negative values depending upon depending upon the values of coordinates. What is the significance of what is the significance of psi square? Psi square is the probability of factor. Psi square is a probability factor. Next point is it describes the probability of finding of electron with a small size. It describes the probability of finding the electron within small size. Probability of finding an electron within a small space. The third point is the space in which the maximum probability of finding an electron with in a termed as orbital. The space in which there is a maximum probability of finding an electron electron is termed as a orbital. Termed as a orbital.